Finding short-growing, narrow shrubs that double as highly functional evergreen 2-metre hedges or screens is rare. But finding one with masses of delightful white bottle brush flowers is simply unheard of. Icy Burst Callistemon is simply the best white bottle brush. Icy Burst Callistemon is a naturally narrow-growing plant with vibrant white bottle brush flowers. It has good frost and drought tolerance once established and will tolerate full sun to partially shaded positions and is great for attracting bees and native birds. This low-maintenance callistemon requires little to no pruning to maintain its narrow upright form, but can be pruned yearly to encourage a denser growth habit. Icy Burst can be used as a narrow hedge for those tighter, less roomy planting positions. Water as required for 18 to 13 weeks until established. Plant in a well-mulched garden. Chunky mulch is recommended. If required, use slow-release fertiliser in spring. Prune every 3 to 4 years for a natural shape or every 2 years for a tidy hedge. Whether you have a tight planting spot or you want to line that large driveway fence or simply use it as a feature shrub, Icy Burst will provide vibrant white bottle brush flowers in spring and tough, clean green foliage you watch rather than regularly prune.